I'm reading Becoming Supernatural by Joe Dispenza, and these are 4 things you will never catch me do ever again. Ever. Honestly, this book has completely changed the way I see reality, and once you see it, you genuinely cannot unsee it. Number 1, I would never start my day on autopilot again. Before reading this book, I was doing what most people do. I would wake up, immediately reach for my phone, checking all the messages, scrolling on social media, basically letting the outside world in before I had even fully opened my eyes or met myself. And what Joe Dispenza explains in this book is that the moment you wake up, your brain is in the most suggestible and malleable state ever, the most open state that it's going to be all day. That window between sleep and waking is when you have the most direct access to your subconscious mind. So it matters what you do during that short period of time. Treat your morning like a programming session. You are either programming yourself intentionally or you're allowing the world to do it for you. That's your choice. Number 2, I would never try to force myself to create a reality from a stressed nervous system. Joe Dispenza explains that you cannot just think your way into a new reality. You have to feel your way there because your body does not know the difference between what is actually happening and what you're vividly imagining. So if you're trying to manifest a new relationship or a new version of your life while still feeling majority of the time the emotions of lack that you're just used to feeling, you're literally sending the same signals out but expecting a different result. So the work is not about just changing your thoughts. It is changing the emotional state that you're living in, becoming so familiar with the feeling of the life that you want that your body starts to believe it's actually already real. So you'll never catch me saying things like just think positive because it doesn't actually work in the long run. Changing your energetic state is not the same as changing your thoughts. Number 3, I would never look at meditation as a way to just relax. I used to think that meditation was something you do to calm down, but this book showed me that another way of doing meditation can actually rewire your brain and you can have a whole new brain at the end of it. You can break the neural pathways that are keeping you stuck in the same patterns and you can actually physically change your programming. Joe Dispenza shares so many stories in this book of people who, have healed chronic illnesses, they have changed their mental health, and they have rebuilt their lives just by having a consistent meditation practice. The woman he talks about in the first chapter went from cancer diagnosis to completely healthy by meditating for almost 2 years. This is not an overnight process. It's committing and sticking to a practice no matter what your 3D looks like. So don't complain after meditating for a few weeks or months and saying that it didn't work. You gotta keep going because you're changing yourself. You're not changing your outcome. That's a byproduct of you changing your energy. Number 4, I would never give my 3D power over me ever again. Most of us are living completely at the mercy of our reality and environment. We're only seeing things from our physical senses. Something good happens, we feel good. Something bad happens, we feel bad. Someone texts us back, we feel worthy. Someone ignores us, we feel worthless. You're giving too much power to your reality. Becoming Supernatural showed me that as long as you are doing that, as long as your inner world is being dictated by your outer world, you have no power because you're just recycling the same emotional patterns and the same neural pathways on repeat. The whole teaching of this book is that the people who become supernatural and the ones who ultimately create the impossible are the ones who learn how to generate elevated emotions regardless of their circumstances. They feel the feelings before the evidence shows up. And once you understand that, once you really get in your body and not just in your head, you will stop being a victim of your own life. So yeah, those are the 4 things that have changed the way I live my life every single day. And by the way, we are reading this book together in my spiritual book club this month. So if you want to go deep on this material with a community of people who are serious about their transformation, click the link in my bio. You can also get 1 month entirely free.